Hey guys, this is Dylan Atcherson over here at Fulenwider Dodge. What I'm going to do today is show you guys how to use your panoramic sunroof in your 2024 Ram 1500 Laramie. Okay guys, so what you'll do is you'll actually go up here to this little control center you've got right here. This is actually the sunglass holder. Right behind it, you'll see all these things. This is actually for your rear sliding glass window. This I will go over. Of course, you've got your vent and your open. So what you'll do to open up the sunshade is you'll press this button once, bam, and it will actually go halfway and stop, and you'll have to press it one more time for the full panoramic view. As you can see, it gives your passengers in the back seat nice room where they could see everything. Absolutely gorgeous. So as it is raining, as you guys can tell, so I won't open it all the way, but you have got your tilt button right here, which all you got to do is just press one time and it tilts it up just to give a little bit of ventilation if you don't want the full wind noise. And then of course all you gotta do is press it down. Just like every one of these other buttons, it's a one touch. So you'll press this button one time and it'll actually open up all the way to this halfway position. And then to close it, all you got to do is press close. Hope this was helpful. Once again, guys, do not be afraid to stop by the store at 9610 Interstate Highway 20. Hope you guys found this super helpful. Thank you guys so much. Have a blessed day.